The door and door feature allows for easy access of commonly used items and provides quick access to the main door bins and the door and door compartment bins. The compartment bins include two bins, the cheese and butter bin and the cans bin, which are specially designed for canned beverages, cheese, and butter. To access the door and door compartment from the outside, press the button on the right refrigerator door handle and pull the door open. To access the door and door compartment from the inside, press lightly on the marked area of the door and door case cover. To best clean the door and door compartment and door bins, you must remove the compartment. Before removing any part of the compartment, it is important to remove all items. Access the door and door compartment by pressing the button and pulling open. Lift up and pull out the door bins to remove them. To remove the entire door and door case, open the refrigerator door, hold the door and door case firmly from both sides, then pull up and out. To remove the lower shelf of the door and door compartment, lift the shelf retainer up and out. Remove the two screws from the shelf and pull it straight out. When cleaning any part of the door and door compartment, use a soft cloth and mild detergent. Do not use abrasive sponges or chemicals which can damage the material. Let the parts air dry or use a soft cloth to hand dry. Make sure all parts are thoroughly dry before reinstalling. Put the lower shelf in position and screw in place. Press the shelf retainer back in place. Align the door and door case, press back and then downward until secure. Reinstall the door bins by putting them in position and pressing down to lock them in